So guys, welcome to my channel. So first come on to gigabyte.com, www.gigabyte.com, and you can see right hand side search button. Just type your model number, which is your required driver, B850 Eagle WIFI7 ICE. Then hit enter. Click to product. Click on B8 Eagle Wi-Fi ICE. Click to support. And then select your operating system. If you are Windows 10, so select Windows 10, but installation is processing. So this is audio driver. Wait a second to download. After downloaded, you can see here the start downloading. Then open first. You can see this is extracted.exe. Just double click. This is installing. Wait a second. It will close automatically. Means this is installed. So it is done, and close it.